Hello friends, glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. Kitchen towels are in every housewife's kitchen, and in this video I will show you how to wash kitchen towels from stains and unpleasant odors. Kitchen towels get dirty very quickly, stains can be completely different, and it is not always possible to wash them out in the way you are used to. Also, constant use of kitchen towels leads to the appearance of an unpleasant odor and to the fact that they quickly lose their appearance. These towels have old stains. I'm going to wash them out now. And for example, I'll take another towel and make an oil stain on it, a soy sauce stain, and a ketchup stain. I think you know that if you get something really dirty on a towel or cloths, you should first blot the dirty spot with a dry napkin. Well, that's much better. Now let's move on to the method by which we will wash all of this out. Take a basin or a large bowl and pour 3 liters of warm water into it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of liquid laundry soap to the water. Mix well and soak dirty kitchen towels in this solution for 5 minutes. When time has passed, rub the stains with your hands a little. Take the towels out of the water and wring them out. For the second step, we will use boiling water, so it is necessary to do this so that the stains do not brew. There are stains that cannot be washed out in boiling water. They only become more fixed on the fabric, and then it will be very difficult to wash them out. The next thing we need is a dishwasher tablet. Take 1 tablet and crush it. Pour the crushed tablet into a pot of boiling water. Here I have 3 liters of water and the water has just boiled. Now you need to stir well, so that the tablet dissolves completely. Soak kitchen towels in this solution. Cover the pot with a lid and leave for 4 hours. My time has already passed. Let's see the result. The water hasn't cooled down much. I squeeze the towel a little. Well, look, there are no stains on it at all. Let's look at the second towel. Just like that, it's clean and white. Well, the third towel, which had fresh stains, also looks very good. Next, there are several options for what to do with the towels. You can take a basin and rinse them well in clean water, or you can wash them in the washing machine with other towels. By the way, I always wash towels separately from the rest of the laundry. When the wash is finished, hang the towels out to dry in the fresh air. Look, everything is washed out perfectly. Old stains, fresh stains from oil, sauce and ketchup, nothing is left. So friends, Take note of this method for washing kitchen towels from stains and unpleasant odors, and share in the comments how you solve this problem. If you liked the advice, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.